Hi, David Reeves from Ride the World Australia. I'm here today to show you a Viking leather jacket that I've received through the post. I'm 5'10", to give you an idea, and the jacket I had to get was a 3XL. Comfortable, the belly does just fit in, but one day I will lose the weight and it'll fit a lot better. So here's the jacket, Viking leather. It is leather, smells like leather, feels like leather, and the sign tells me it's leather, and why should I not believe it? The jacket has, on the inside, quilting, and the quilting doesn't come out, it stays in, it's old school, as would be in a normal Brando jacket. The phone, I find, fits easily into the inside pocket, and you can also run your normal headphone wire from there up to your ears on the inside of the jacket, so it's totally protected when you're listening and riding, although most of us listen to the exhaust of our bikes, particularly a Harley. The outside of the jacket, we have zippered pockets, YKK zippers, which are good quality. One on the left, one on the right, one on the left. A key or money pocket, because I'm always losing my keys and money. If I've got it in one pocket, at least I have a rough idea where I'm going to find it. And an additional one up on the chest. So lots of pockets. I'll put it on so you can see what it looks like. You'll notice there's a stretch panel as well. But later on I'll show you how it looks when I'm on the Harley. So here we go. That belly is definitely in the way. Normal Brando look with the studs in. If it gets a bit colder, I can always unstud, zip up to the top. The sleeves also have zippers, so they can be down if you want to let a bit of air in, put the gloves in, or if it's getting a bit chilly, we can always do the zippers up. Nice, convenient, again, YKK. Lapels, so it looks like epaulets, so it looks like I'm a real biker. And I think it's time to belt up, go down to the Harley, and we'll have a look and see what it looks like with the Harley. See you then. So here I am, I've got the Harley out, got my Viking leather jacket on to ride with my leather-clad friends. Helmet, gloves, time to hit the road, see the buddies, hopefully we'll see you. So until then,